We're searching for shit in the attic.
Even though we can't really see.
Okay. This is not that big. I don't understand how we can find a blue tote.
It's a big search, but we can't find it. Impossible. Tells you.
Impossible.
I don't know. Whenever you need me, baby, call me, beat me. If you want to reach me, call me, baby. Where is this blue toad? Toad? That's a blue toad.
Toad.
Toad. Total.
No!
Are you afraid of the witch?
Yeah?
I'm afraid of the big bad witch.
Oh god, they probably heard that. I sounded like Nikki.
Yeah, you did.
I think that's where I got it from.
Where the hell is this?
I don't know. Wouldn't that be funny if it was downstairs? The whole freaking time.
How many did you have? 3?
3 or 4.
3 or 4?
I think I might be able to find it if you go downstairs, like really quickly. Just watch over me. Watch over me, Chris. I'm trusting you.
Good, I'm glad you trust me because I don't trust myself.
Oh, Snickers!
Snickers!
Dude, there's like Snickers can't. No, I'm kidding. There's like a Snickers football up here for some reason.
Oh, you know, like actual Snickers. I'm like, I want some.
Really? It's in a fucking attic.
What's your point? You look like the Grudge. We're in the attic too. The Grudge is gonna eat me.
Arr.
Arr. Since when does the Grudge go arr? Are you the pirate Grudge? Arr.
Oh, the light bulb's right next to my head.
It must be hot.
I have an idea.
Oh wow, you're a genius.
Just take a picture of me doing that.
Oh shit! This is.
What do you want to do?
What would you do? Yay! Why are you dancing?
I don't know, Viper.
It's hot as hell in here.
I just had like a monster and that's it. Oh, it might be over there. Dun, dun, dun.
I see something that looks like cheese.
That's a freaking cheese hat, you dumbass.
It's a cheese hat?
It's a cheese hat from Wisconsin.
Legit?
Legit.
Oh my god.
You want it?
Not really.
Why?
I don't know, but oh my gosh.
A big oven.
My cousin had one of these. We always play with it.
Oh, you're turning into me now. Clap for you.
Clap, clap, clap. Slap, slap, slap. Okay, I'm done with that.
Ow, my back.
Pop opens. What the hell is this? Something this. Could it be in a box? Nessie! No.
Dalmatian.
Do you want it down there?
No. Yes, I have to.
Do you want it down there or not? Oh my god, there's a lot of plushies. Another Dalmatian!
Dude, I have so many freaking Dalmatians.
Piglet.
Piglet!
What the hell is this?
Grab it.
It is.
Give me that back. I want to go through my memories again.
Come on, we're looking for Halloween stuff.
Holy crap. Lucky!
Really? What's this? It's Stitch! Naughty, ooh. Stitch has been naughty. With the puppies. Oh my god, it's foam too. Shit, I almost fell. That would have been certain doom. What is this? This is back of clothes, I believe.
Yeah.
Why is my leg shaking? My leg was shaking like a dog.
Like a dog.
Like a dog.
This is falling towards your death. No, it's not.
Wow, okay. This is
Coming over, buddy.
kitty box.
Okay. Go through what we have. And then
I didn't do it.
I know. Right there.
Oh, a tutu.
What? Yeah, I threw that down there.
Oh, I never realized it.
Let me go through the box and see what we have.
You want me to?
It's okay. Alright, we're done. Cut.
Cut?
Cut.
Fine.